Alright you guys, today I'm going to be showing you how we're going to take this solar panel and we're going to mount it on top of this roof rack here. So this is a roof rack that I found off of eBay. We just put these struts on here and then we mounted this top frame on with this cleat. Now for the roof part, we got our solar panel snugged pretty good here on the rack. So now we have these eye holes here, one there, one in the middle, and then one on the end, and we're going to go ahead and use zip ties to zip tie these to the frame. And we already did that on the other side, so we have a zip tie in the middle, on the end, and on the back. And then we have our power running underneath, and I'll show you where that connects underneath the panel. Alright, now we're underneath the panel here, and you can see our power lines come down here, and they come over, and you can see we have our power connector coming down right here and it snaps into place, and then we're going to go ahead and zip tie this in place so this wire doesn't come loose. Alright you guys, this is the inside part of the solar installation. So you can see we have our Goal Zero here, we have the 80mm plug here, have it going up through here behind this trim panel, and it actually keep going all the way behind it, all the way to this little air vent here, and it comes right out to this air vent here because I really didn't want to put a hole anywhere. So this is definitely a good opportunity to reroute that. Hopefully your car has a little cubby with an air vent in the back. If not, I'm sure you have other holes that you might not even notice. Or up through here coming out, and then it goes up and then it comes around up here onto the roof, and we haven't zip tied it yet, but we're going to zip tie it down. There you guys have it. There's the finished product. Panel secured. We got our wire running down this side there, down to the back. And now let's go check on the Goal Zero and see if we're getting any power. Alright, we're in the back of the car, and you can see I added this as protection to protect the wire from this smashing down on this wire. It'll kind of protect the wire there a little bit. So we have that coming down up in here. Here's the update. We have this wire now protected with the braid. So you can see it's now fully secured, and it'll protect against weather, the sun, and when we shut the back door here, it'll protect here as well. So you definitely want to put one of these on your wire to help protect it. And you see we have light. It's just the sun is just not out enough, you guys, today, so we're not gonna obviously see a lot of power coming through. But I'll hopefully do an updated video to show you. We're gonna add a second panel at a later point. Yeah, that wraps this about up. Alright, thanks you guys. See you in the next video.